Good morning, children. You ready for the art class? Let's start. I hope you all have made textures in the clouds and the sky and the sun and mountains and trees. It's time to do the water. Now, for the water, we are going to take a dark blue sketch pen and make these waves. You all know how to make these waves, right? I've taught you before also. So put these waves. You can make longer waves also, children. I've made these small ones. You can make the longer waves. Fill up the pond with these waves. Children, you can see the water is done. Now, I'm going to take my light green sketch pen and do the grass in the background. And the texture of grass, you all know, grass blades, standing lines. You can make a line of these standing lines, or just as I'm doing, these small standing lines in groups of 3 and 4. You can do it like this also, whichever way you like, children. We are going to fill up. They can be 3, they can be 4. No fixed number, please. You can add dark green also in between if you're interested. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a hurry. So background is done, children. Now coming to the house. You can make it with any color of your choice. On top, let's take diagonal lines. You can take sleeping lines also. Any color. All right, like this. Over here, I'm just going in the same, following the same pattern. You may use just diagonal lines. It's up to you, whichever design you want to take. You remember we've done the bricks pattern. So in this area, we are going to make the pattern of bricks. You all know how to do this. We've done this in the topic playing with a ball. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, as many as you want. And in the second row, the line will come in between the first two, in between these two. Now over here, alternate. In between these two, in between these two, in between these two, in between these, in between these, in between, in between. Okay, the same pattern you can follow on this side also, or you may change. Now we are done, and I've started using standing lines in the window. And similarly, I'll do for the door also, children. Either you can make the texture of wood in the door, or you can just make these standing lines. Fine. Done. Now, for this path, I can take again the texture of this irregular texture of stones. Done. Simple. Now what is left? Only the fish and the stones on the sides are left. So for the stones on the sides, you can use any color of your choice and make dots, or anything else, any other texture that you want to add in them. You can add that texture. Because as it is, we've given the texture of the stone, the design. And you can use it with any other color, like I'm doing this one. Now it's time to do these fish. Any colors of your choice. In the fins, you can just make these diagonal lines, and same in the tail. You can leave this area white also. Let's draw the lips. Either you leave this portion white, or if you don't like the white, take any color and make semicircular lines. As it is, the fish has gills over here, which are in the form of 1, 2 and 3 lines. Now children, we are done. I hope you all enjoyed doing this topic. See you next time. Bye bye.